In this video, Dak and I headed to Santa Rosa to visit the Pacific Coast Air Museum. It's actually a really neat museum with a great collection of airplanes. Stay tuned toward the end of the video for the pictures and a little bit of the video of the planes themselves. The flight there is a little bit abbreviated, basically a departure out of Concord and an arrival into Santa Rosa. So this is a bit of a new thing for me. I'm actually trying to visit a lot of the museums here in the Bay Area and a little bit further out in California as I fly around and kind of document and take pictures of these incredible birds that a lot of great people are volunteering to preserve all over the state, all over the Bay Area, all over the state, and of course all over the country. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the video. Concord Tower, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is holding short 19 right, request right crosswind departure.
November 9501 Whiskey, Concord Tower, hold short of runway 19 right, inbound traffic.
Hold short 19 right, 9501 Whiskey. 7 uniform is coming in for 19 right.
There he is.
Is it 7 uniform? Yes, it is. This is the club plane. Okay, pressure is in the green. All temperature is climbing. Vacuum is normal. Amps are normal. Everything is looking good. Good. We're taking
Sky 01 Whiskey, runway 19 right, clear for takeoff. Right crossing departure approved traffic is a Cessna in the upwind in right close traffic.
Clear for takeoff, 19 right. Right cross with departure is approved. Traffic is in sight. 9501 Whiskey.
Concord Tower, Dakota 45 Kilo, request frequency change.
Dakota 45 Kilo, frequency change approved.
Okay, traffic is airborne. We're adding power in. Winds are calm. A little bit from the left. Full power. Right rudder. Everything is in the green. 55. 60.
Air is smooth.
Yeah, it is. Okay, the traffic is still upwind.
Number 07 uniform traffic is a citation departing prior to arrival. Runway 19 right, clear for the option, caution wake turbulence.
19 right, clear for the option. We'll keep an eye out for the traffic.
Alright, it looks like there's a citation taking off on 19 right.
Yeah, I'm looking. There it is.
Yep.
November 9501 Whiskey, traffic's going to be overflying you is a citation jet, 2,600 in the right turn 4 miles south of the airport towards Napa, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 9501 Whiskey, we'll keep an eye for the traffic. Travis approach, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey, VFR request.
November 9501 Whiskey, Travis approach, Travis altimeter 3026, ident, say request.
3026, ident, VFR flight following Santa Rosa, 9501 Whiskey, 3000.
November 01 Whiskey, squawk 4537.
4537, 9501 Whiskey.
Open Center, Castle 329, 13.8 for flight level 190.
Castle 329, Oakland Center, good morning, climb and maintain flight level 200.
Maintain 200, Castle 329.
Oakland Center, Cherokee 3649 Romeo, request flight following.
Cherokee requesting flight following, still too busy.
Roger, 49 Romeo.
You just said, we're still too busy.
November 0 Golf Foxtrot, flight heading 130.
Back clear.
0 Golf Foxtrot.
Okay, I'll get Petaluma inside, straight off of our nose.
Alright, 7 Golf Sierra, climb and maintain flight level 230. Alright, 0 Golf Foxtrot, climb and maintain flight level 230. 200 Golf Foxtrot. November 6475 Quebec, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved. Radar service is terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved, 6475 Quebec.
All right, let's go ahead and just stay on this ending right here.
Contact NorCal approach, 133.905.
We're right smack on top of
airport right now. Yeah.
November 9501 Whiskey Radar Service terminated. Squawk VFR, contact Santa Rosa Tower 118.5.
VFR over the tower, 01 Whiskey, thank you. Okay, we're 14 nautical miles to the southeast. Santa Rosa Tower, Skyhawk, 9501 Whiskey is 14 to the southeast with Golf full stop.
Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey, Santa Rosa Tower, make straight in runway 32, report 3 mile final.
Straight in, runway 32, report 3 mile final, 01 Whiskey. Okay, we're 12 nautical miles out, about 6 minutes out. We'll begin our descent in a second. My lights are as I want. Fuel tank, everything's looking good, everything is looking good. Okay. We're landing runway 32.
Here to 593, runway 32, line up weight traffic, the Cessna 10 mile final.
Left wing on runway 32, fit to 593.
The 01 Whiskey traffic is a citation holding position.
Inside 01 Whiskey. Okay. Landing checklist is complete.
Cherokee 17 Romeo on the crosswind.
Let's
Traffic
begin
is
our
a citation
descent.
holding position behind you. Advise when you have that traffic in sight on the roll.
Let's adjust for a stranded final.
Cherokee 17 Romeo, start your crosswind.
Gonna cross on with the Romeo.
Get to 593, Cherokee head, left turn into the pattern, runway 32,
I
clear
guess
for
that's the
takeoff.
town of Santa Rosa right there, huh?
Cherokee 17 Romeo, maintain visual separation, departing citation, caution way 2 minutes, runway 32, clear touch and go, turning inside Cessna, 6 mile final.
There's so many houses.
Citation site looking for Cessna with the Romeo.
Okay, there's going to be traffic turning in front of us. So we're going to be number 2, and they asked us to report a 3 mile final.
Cessna 01 Whiskey, change of plans, enter right base, runway 2, report 2 out on the base. Traffic is a Challenger working with Oakland Center, turning a 10 mile final now for 32. So just widen out to the west, right base, runway 2, let me know 2 miles out on that base.
Okay, we're making a left turn for right base, runway 2 right now. We'll let you know 2 miles out, 01 Whiskey.
Jet 593, thanks for patience, contact Oakland Center, good day.
Oakland Center, 593, good day.
17 Romeo confirming number 1.
Cherokee 17 Romeo, affirmative, you are number 1, base turn is your discretion, and traffic, Cessna 5 South is now going to be entering right base, runway 2.
Thank you, looking for that Cessna with the Romeo.
Morning Tower, Jet 741, visual 32.
Jet 741, Santa Rosa Tower, straight in runway 32. Number 2 behind a Cherokee, short final, clear to land. And traffic will be passing off your left side, going to runway 2 is a Cessna. Nobody holding short of your runway.
Yeah, roger that. We'll keep an eye out for him. And clear to land 32, number 2, Jet 741.
Santa Rosa Tower, Mooney 58060, about 20 miles to your southeast. Inbound, got golf, full stop.
Skyline 58060, Santa Rosa Tower, straight in runway 32, report 10 miles out.
Straight in 32 and report 10 miles, 060.
Santa Rosa Tower, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey, about a 2 mile right base, runway 2.
Contact 01 Whiskey, runway 2, clear to land, traffic landing runway 32, Challenger. Hold short, runway 32.
Clear to land on the runway 2, hold short runway 32, 9501 Whiskey. Okay, my first hold short instructions and read back. And I've accepted the instructions, which means that I can do it. And, okay, let's come in with flaps 10, power back, 1500. All right, give me a white arc, give me a white arc. White arc, flaps 20. All right, so we want to come in nice and slow. We don't want to come in high because we need to stop. Power back. We are flaps 20. Do you see that Challenger coming?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
He's coming in pretty fast. He might
Cherokee
land
17
before you.
Romeo traffic, 2 mile final to runway 2. Additional traffic is about 4 mile final to runway 32 Challenger. Report the Challenger in sight.
Looking for traffic 17 Romeo.
Cessna 01 Whiskey traffic in the left crosswind to runway 32 Cherokee.
Negative contact, 01 Whiskey.
Challenger.
Cherokee 17 Romeo, the Cessna traffic is low and to your right.
Still looking for traffic.
Inside, 01 Whiskey.
Challenger in sight 17 Romeo.
Cherokee 17 Romeo, number 2 behind the Challenger. Runway 32, clear touch and go. Caution wake turbulence.
Runway 32, clear touch and go 17 Romeo.
First of all, this is really cool. I've never done this before. Second of all, concentrate. Keep an eye on the Challenger.
Yeah.
I'm concentrating on the landing.
He's down.
I'm low on purpose.
There's a 741, turn right Alpha 3, contact ground point 9.
Alright, Alpha 3 into ground, 741, we'll see you.
Nice float, straight down. And we can get off on Bravo 1 here.
Cessna 01 Whiskey, turn right to Bravo 1, contact ground point 9.
Right, Bravo 1, over to ground, 01 Whiskey.
Sick. Nice.
I liked it.
Ground, Dark Jet 741, we're cleared Alpha 3 for Sonoma Jet.
Jet 741 still on tower, ground 121.9.
Oh man, I hate it when I do that.